Alright, this is how you do a oil reset, oil service required reset on a 2024 BMW X7. Without pressing the brake, find the start stop button. Press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Wait for the dashboard to light. Wait for it to settle off. Find the BC button on the left side of the steering wheel. Then I press and hold that BC button for 15 seconds. You can go ahead and count it. And I release the BC button after 15 seconds. Once you see your oil information come up on the dashboard, press the BC button again for 3 seconds. Then I release. Press and hold the BC button again for 3 seconds. Then I release. And that should reset the engine oil service required. And go ahead and start the vehicle now to confirm. And you'll see that the engine oil required service is no longer there.